In this video, I'm going to cover the top items you should consider getting for your husband or dad for this upcoming Father's Day at Harbor Freight. It'll be items that your husband or dad will actually use, and all the options are going to be under 100 bucks. So depending on when you're watching this video, I filmed this on the 1st of June. Many of these recommendations are going to be during the June parking lot sale that they're starting off for the month, where it starts on June 1st through the 4th for ITC members, which is Inside Track Club, and everyone else can save from June 5th through the 7th. So some of these deals I'm going to cover are going to be deals going on for this week. And if your husband or dad is an ITC member, then maybe you could use his phone number and be able to get it from the 1st through the 4th. All right, the first couple recommendations is going to be a flashlight. One thing I noticed with myself, I can never have too many flashlights, and a flashlight would certainly beat another tie. And the first one up is going to be on the Braun 500 lumens. This is a rechargeable flashlight with a magnetic base, and it's rechargeable by USB-C cord, and it offers a runtime up to 20 hours. This is a very popular light among the DIYers and even mechanics, and it's a great light for this price. Right now it's priced at $20 for during the parking lot sale, which right now it's under the ITC deal if you're an Inside Track Club member. Otherwise, you have to wait till Friday, June 5th to be able to get it for this price. The normal retail price is 30 bucks for that, and right now you're saving 33% on it. So it's a good deal. It's a good light for the dad or husband. And if your husband or dad is into car detailing, this would be the week to capture some of these deals on some detail products from the Grant's brand, because during the parking lot sale, you'll be able to save 40% off on all Grant's products. So they offer everything from drying towels to polishing bonnets, even polishing foam pads for polishers. And they have other detail products like glass towels, other microfiber cleaning cloths, an ultra plush chenille microfiber wash mitt, a wash and bug scrubber, and even a dirt guard to go in a 5-gallon bucket for when you're washing a vehicle. All great products from Grant's, and they are products that he'll absolutely love if he's into detailing his own car or in your car. All right, the next recommendation for a Father's Day gift is going to be on the US General Mini Toolbox. And it comes in different colors from purple, blue, green, red, slate gray, and black. So many different options to choose from. And right now, during the parking lot sale, they're priced at $14.99, which is saving 21% on it. They're normally priced at 19 bucks. I did do a video showing many different uses for these mini toolboxes. I'll be sure to put a link up above to that video. You can check it out for the many different ideas. And you can also read the comments on that video where people share the uses that they use their mini toolboxes for. They certainly come in handy. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate you would give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos. And let's go to the next item. And next up is a gift he'll absolutely love. It's what's known as the Icon Meme 2.0 Toolkit. It's a 1/4-inch drive, 52-piece socket set and bit set. Comes in a nice hard plastic case. So it has a 1/4-inch drive of SAE and metric sockets, as well as a ratchet and these other bits as well. This comes in a nice little handy carry case with it, and this is a very popular kit. If he doesn't have one already, he'll absolutely love it, especially if he does any work inside the garage. This is also a great kit if you happen to have a motorcycle. It has enough sockets and bits to cover simple tasks on a motorcycle, and it comes in a nice package as well, nice case. So if you're able to come during the first week of June to capture it, they have a 25% off deal on it during the parking lot sale, which currently it is on the Inside Track Club time frame. So like I said, if you're not a member, you have to go on Friday, June 5th in order to capture it. And hopefully they still have them in stock, because this is a popular item. It will absolutely make a great Father's Day gift. And another great Father's Day gift is going to be on the Icon Walking Flex Head and Ratchet Bit Set. It's a 35-piece set. This is what's known as the Meme 1.0 Toolkit. This also comes in a nice hard plastic case that stores everything in. It's nice and handy. Comes with a number of different bits there of Torx and screw bits, as well as hex bits with the pass-through ratchet there with an extension bar that creates like a little T handle there. This is absolutely an awesome kit to get, especially if he doesn't have one already. I highly recommend this kit, and it is currently priced at 40 bucks for it. There's no deal on it right now, but that's what the price is right now on it. So if you are able to opt for the upgrade, the 2.0 toolkit is on a great deal at 60 bucks. The next item is another popular item, and that's going to be on the Icon Magnetic Tool Mat. This is almost considered a unicorn mat that's hard to find in the stores, and it just happens to be my store is fully stocked in them on the shelf right now. It is priced at 25 bucks. There's no current deal on it, and actually I haven't seen a deal on it before because it is so popular. They don't even need to do a deal on it. So it's like a soft surface. It's loaded with magnets, and this is a very strong mat that you can put on a toolbox or a car or other areas with a metal surface that'll hold tools even vertically. So it's powerful enough to do that. It's an awesome mat. I have one myself and it's great. Definitely worth the $25 price tag. Make an awesome gift if he doesn't have one already. And if your store doesn't happen to have the Icon magnetic tool mat, you still can't go wrong with going with another magnetic parts holder. And they have different sizes and shapes and colors to choose from. So without a doubt, if he does a lot of work in the garage on automotive work or assembling other items that have bolts and screws, a magnetic part holder definitely comes in handy. And you can't have too many of these. And if your husband or dad does a lot of automotive work under vehicles and doesn't have a good creeper, well, I'd recommend going for the Icon creeper that's currently on a deal for the parking lot sale, priced at $70. It's normally priced at 90. This will make an excellent gift and it'll be a great upgrade if he happens to have an old creeper that's in bad shape. Definitely worth the upgrade. It's a good deal and he'll absolutely love it. And if your husband or dad has been asking for a set of wrenches, this would be the time to get them, especially under the Icon brand. During the parking lot sale, they are currently 35% off. Excellent deals on them. They have many different varieties to choose from. So if he's in need of different kinds of sets, then definitely consider going with the Icon brand during this parking lot sale that ends on June 7th. And the different sets are different pricing, so they would have many of them that actually would be under the $100 mark as far as the sets goes after the discount. All right, next up is going to be a general category of items you could go for, which is during the parking lot sale, where you can save 30% off on all Doyle products. And they make excellent products that are basically for the trades of like electrician, carpenter, plumbers, that sort of tools. So if your husband or dad is like the DIYer and does a lot of work around the house, you can't go wrong with, in particular, a pair of Doyle fast adjust water pump pliers. These pliers are basically modeled after the Knipex brand of pliers, which are much more expensive, and these are great. I have a pair myself, and these actually come in different sizes of 12-inch, the 10-inch here, as well as smaller ones of 8-inch. It'll be a great time and a great gift, and you can save 30% off on all of these. And next up is another popular item among Harbor Freight fans, and it's the Icon 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers. These were basically modeled after the Snap-on version. They're high quality, they have great grip, and they come highly recommended by everyone who has them. The retail price is $30, and that's what the price is right now. There's no current deal on them, but if the store you go to has them in stock, it'll be a great pickup for the husband or dad for this upcoming Father's Day. And next up is an item that comes right in under that $100 max mark. And it's going to be during this week of the parking lot sale on the Bauer 5 amp hour battery and charger starter kit. Its normal retail price is $115, but they actually lowered it to $99.99. And when you purchase that kit, you have an option of 9 different tools and getting one of those for free, which is up to a $65 value. I think the one tool that comes in at that $65 value is going to be on the angle grinder. So if he's in the Bauer platform or looking to get into Bauer platform, this would make an awesome gift to go for and getting a free tool with that starter kit. Now, I will give honorable mention, even though this is just outside of the $100 max mark, that we'd be doing an upgrade to the Hercules brand power tool, where you can go with that 5 amp hour starter kit and charger. That's going to be priced at $119.99. Then you do have an option of 7 free tools, getting one of those for free. So it's an extra $20 above that $100 threshold. I just wanted to mention it here because that's also another deal that they have going on during this parking lot sale this week, and it's an excellent deal. And don't worry, ladies, Harbor Freight typically inflates their prices, so the prices were actually whatever your husband says he paid for the tools he got from Harbor Freight. And the next recommendation is something that I seem to not have too many of, and you can never have too many of these cases. So they have an excellent deal during the parking lot sale on the Apache 2800 series case. That'd be great for storing sensitive electronics and pew-pews or other items you want to keep protected, because it does have a foam insert to keep whatever item is of value. So they have a deal on it during the parking lot sale of only $20, which is saving 33% on that. So it is an excellent deal if you're able to get it during the parking lot sale here. And here's what the inside looks like on the picture. So you can definitely store some good items in there. It has a foam insert that has easily removable cubes that you just pick them out. and it's a pretty good case. I have a few of them myself, and they've been wonderful. So definitely would make an awesome gift for this Father's Day coming up. And next up is another item that comes right in under the $100 mark, and that's because it's on a super coupon right now. It's on the U.S. General one drawer service cart. So it's got the one drawer to it. This is nice to organize like detailing products or other products on the one shelf. It has a lower shelf on the bottom for additional storage. Has two handles. It's on caster wheels, so you can easily move it around. This is available in the 9 different colors now, including the new purple. So it comes in black, red, blue, green, orange, yellow, white, slate gray, and that new purple. The normal retail price is $140 for it. And this would be an excellent deal because it is on a super coupon for only $100, which is saving 28% on that. And this coupon is going to be good until the 7th of the month. So you have until Sunday the 7th, and you will need to go to harborfreight.com to get that coupon. You could take a picture of it on your phone, or you could download the Harbor Freight app and download it to your phone that way, and they'll just scan the coupon right on your phone there. So it's an excellent deal at $100, and it's something that he'll absolutely love. And next up is another U.S. General item. It's on this mobile service tray. This comes highly recommended by the guys who actually have them, and this actually adjusts a height from 34 inches up to 47 inches. It has a single drawer on the one side there. It has a parts divider on the one side and a tool organizer on the other, so you can store tools with the punch out holes that they have there. So this has a 220-pound weight capacity. The normal retail price is $110 on that, which is a decent deal already on its normal price, but that's also on a super coupon priced at only $80. It is currently saving 27% on that, so it's an excellent deal on this cart. And again, you would have until June 7th for that deal. So it definitely pays to shop early for your husband or dad. And another item I seem to not have too many of, and that's on a utility knife. And right now, under the Doyle brand, during the parking lot sale, you can save 35% on them. So it's an excellent deal. And then still make a great gift. And this one is priced at $10. So you'll be able to pick it up for $6.50 during this parking lot sale. And you could do a little bit of an upgrade on the Hawkbill flip knife. That's priced at $14. So again, some good deals on the Doyle brand where you can save that 35% off during this week, the parking lot sale. And they certainly make great gifts. Next up is another good item to consider for the husband or dad that does a lot of work inside the house. That's going to be on the Franklin Sensor Stud Finder. In this style in particular, where it actually highlights each side of the stud with a center green line where it shows the center of the stud. I have a different version of this stud finder, and Franklin Sensors make great stud finders, so I definitely recommend them. This one retails at $37. There's no current deal on them right now, but it is a good stud finder to consider picking up for him. And this also offers a limited lifetime warranty, and it's made in the USA. And next up is going to be a bonus section of the video for funny dad gifts. And the first up is going to be zip ties. Dad already has 500 of them, but somehow he still needs more. And the next funny dad gift would be on a moving blankets. Dad doesn't know he needs these until moving day. And the next funny gift idea would be on bungee cords, because the other 50 he has mysteriously disappeared. And the next funny gift idea is on nitrile gloves. It's part of the official uniform of every garage dad. And currently during the parking lot sale, they are 50% off on the different varieties. Now the next two items would be a funny gift, but also a practical one if the dad in your life does a lot of automotive work. And that's going to be on the 10 mil socket sets. Both Icon and Pittsburgh offers them, and this is actually the most common socket that goes missing in the garage. So the Icon 4-piece 10mm socket set retails for $10, and then this Pittsburgh one is a 10-piece 10mm essential socket set. This is actually a great kit because it covers a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive sockets, and it has a variety of different sockets on a nice handy storage rail, and it offers a lifetime warranty. This will make an excellent gift if he does a lot of automotive work, and this is priced at $14. All right, those are going to be the top recommendations I have for this upcoming Father's Day coming up here in June. If you gain any value from this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.